Celebrity Cruise Lines changes its vaccination policy again. And the Carnival Horizon, unfortunately, she's having to cancel some more of her cruises. But we'll get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so Celebrity Cruise Lines, just a couple of days ago, they announced that starting on February the 1st, 2022, everybody ages 5 and above would have to be fully vaccinated. Of course, the change being that children between 5 and 11 would be the ones affected by that due to children now being allowed to be vaccinated. Well, just a couple days after putting that out, Celebrity has come back and said, well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to postpone that until further notice. Now, no actual official reason for why they have postponed it was given, other than it has been postponed. So at least as of today, starting on February the 1st, children 5 through 11 will not have to be fully vaccinated. And we'll keep an eye on that and see if they change their mind again or possibly go in a different direction. And the Carnival Horizon. We talked about the Carnival Horizon here just a couple of days ago. She was having technical issues with her propulsion system, which caused her to slow down on her current sailing, caused them to miss 2 of their cruise ports that they were going to stop at, and the sailings for December the 5th and for December the 11th had already been canceled. Well, it looks like the problem was even worse than they thought, and they are going to have to take the Carnival Horizon completely out of service. She's going to head over to Italy for dry docking, and all Carnival sailings up till January the 22nd, meaning she should be back in service on January the 22nd. So everything between now and January the 22nd, well, it looks like those sailings on the Carnival Horizon are going to have to be canceled. However, those people that are booked for a Carnival Horizon don't necessarily have to miss their cruise. So in a quick little scramble, Carnival is going to restart the Carnival Sunshine and the Carnival Liberty and have both of them sailing the Carnival Horizon's itineraries out of Miami until January the 22nd. So for the December the 19th, the December the 26th, and December the 31st sailings, both the Carnival Sunshine and the Carnival Liberty are going to sail. Said same itinerary, same ports, same everything. They're just going to use 2 ships instead of 1. Now, after the December the 31st sailing, the Carnival Sunshine is going to leave Miami, go to Charleston, South Carolina, where she will officially restart there on January the 13th. And then the 2 remaining January sailings on January the 8th and January the 16th will be done by the Carnival Liberty. So if you were booked on the Carnival Horizon, particularly over the holidays, a Christmas sailing, a holiday sailing, at least you will still have the opportunity to sail. It just won't be on the Carnival Horizon. And look, I understand. The Carnival Horizon has things and amenities on it that the Liberty and the Sunshine do not have. I get it. They're not the same ships. They're not the same class of ships. But it's better than the alternative. Carnival could have simply canceled those cruises altogether, but instead they at least brought in 2 different ships to pick up the load and still get people out for their holiday sailings. Now, if it was me, yeah, I might be disappointed that I wasn't getting to go on the Horizon if that's what I was particularly looking forward to. You know, that specific ship, versus at least still being able to cruise over the holidays, to be able to spend Christmas on board a cruise ship, even if it's not the exact one I want. I would rather be able to sail than to have it canceled altogether. But you do have some choices. So if you were booked on the Carnival Horizon and you do not want to sail on either the Sunshine or on the Liberty, you have up until this Sunday, December the 5th, to decide whether or not you want to sail or not. If you do not want to sail on either one of those ships, of course you get a full 100% refund. Now, those folks that do decide they want to go ahead and sail on one of those 2 ships, you will be getting some onboard credit. And my understanding of how this is going to work from Carnival is that after this Sunday, you're going to receive an email saying, okay, this is going to be your cabin on this specific ship. Once you receive that email, you will then have another 48 hours to either accept that offer or to go ahead and cancel at that point and receive a 100% refund. So you won't get to pick the ship you're on. They're going to send you an offer of which ship that they're going to put you on. And like I said, it'll be completely up to those that were booked, but a sailing on Christmas versus no sailing on Christmas, to me, is at least still a better option. But that's just me. That's just how I would do it. And like always, you do you. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.